Hi everybody, so we have our awesome patient here. He's 32 years old and has had his earlobe stretched for over 15, 16, 17 years and has finally decided he would like to have them closed. And so what we'll be doing today is closing the loops. The way I do it is I'll be resecting and removing a portion of the skin, the extra skin. We'll be putting the edges back together and creating a final closed earlobe. I'll show you the markings here in a second. Okay, so what I've done here is I've marked the skin to be removed. Basically, I'll be making an incision right along this line as well as this one, and this middle section will be removed. I've also marked sort of the midline section of both edges, and then we'll be bringing this edge to that edge, putting it together, and that will leave this hole in the middle. We'll be removing the skin on the inside of the hole and then suturing the front end, the front surface, and then the back surface, and he'll end up with a very nice, elegant looking on this side. You can see it completed on this side.
Give it thumbs up.